Dialogue 1. Making reservation.
May I help you?
I'd like to make a reservation for a single room for 2 nights.
Certainly. What dates would you like to book?
On the 23rd and 24th of June.
We have availability for those dates.
I'd like to book a room with a view.
We have a few options available. Which view would you prefer?
I'd like a room with a view of the city skyline.
We have a room available on the 10th floor with a stunning city view. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Nami Suzuki.
Your reservation is confirmed. You can check in anytime after 2 p.m. We are looking forward to seeing you here.
Thank you.
Dialogue 2. Checking in.
Welcome to Gland Hotel.
I would like to check in, please.
May I have your name and reservation number, please?
My name is Nami Suzuki, and my reservation number is 12345.
May I have your passport or ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Can you please fill out this registration form and sign it here?
Of course.
Here's your room key and a map of the hotel. Your room is on the 10th floor. The elevators are just over there. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Could someone help me carry my bags up to my room?
I'll have a porter come over to assist you with your luggage. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Dialogue 3. Requesting room amenities.
How may I assist you?
I would like some extra towels and pillows for my room.
We can bring those up to you right away.
Thank you.
Dialogue 4. Asking about laundry service.
How may I assist you?
Do you have a laundry service here? I need to have some clothes washed.
We do offer laundry service for our guests. We can have someone pick up your laundry and have it returned to you by tomorrow morning. Would you like us to arrange that for you?
That would be great, thank you.
Dialogue 5. Requesting shuttle service.
How may I assist you?
Do you have a shuttle service that can take me to the airport tomorrow?
Yes, we do have a shuttle service. What time would you like?
At 9 a.m., please.
We can reserve a spot for you on our 9 a.m. shuttle tomorrow morning. Would you like me to add your name to the list?
Yes, please.
Dialogue 6. Asking for recommendations for a restaurant. May I help you?
Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby?
There are a few great restaurants within walking distance. Do you have a preference for cuisine?
I'm in the mood for some Italian food.
In that case, I would recommend the restaurant just across the street. They have amazing pizza and pasta dishes.
That sounds great. How do I get there?
It's just a short walk from the hotel. When you exit the hotel, turn right and walk for about 2 blocks. The restaurant will be on your left-hand side.
Thank you so much for your help.
Dialogue 7. Asking for recommendations of places to visit. May I help you?
Could you teach me any information about sightseeing spots around here?
There are many interesting places to see in the area. What kind of sites are you interested in?
I'm interested in historical sites and local culture.
There is a beautiful church about a 15-minute walk from here. It's called the Santa Maria Church. It's known for its unique architecture and beautiful garden. You can also visit the local museum, which has a collection of artifacts from the area's history.
That sounds great. How can I get there?
You can take a taxi or a bus from the nearby station. I can provide you with a map and directions if you like.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your help.
Dialogue 8. Complaints and requests.
How may I assist you?
There seems to be a problem with the air conditioning in my room. It's not working properly.
I'm so sorry about that. I'll send someone up to take a look right away.
Also, is it possible to have some extra towels and pillows in my room?
I'll have housekeeping bring those up for you.
Thank you so much for your help.
Dialogue 9. Ordering room service.
May I help you?
Can I order room service, please?
Sure, what would you like to order?
I'd like a club sandwich and a Caesar salad, please.
Would you like anything to drink with that?
Yes, I'll have a glass of orange juice.
Would you like the order to be delivered at a specific time?
Could you please deliver it at 12:30 p.m.?
Your order will be delivered to your room at 12:30 p.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Dialogue 10. Checking out.
May I help you?
I would like to check out, please.
How was your stay with us?
It was great, thank you.
Could I have your room key, please?
Sure, here you go.
Your total comes to $500. Will you be paying by cash or card?
I'll pay with my card.
Here's your receipt. Would you like us to hold your luggage for a few hours?
I'll take it with me.
Have a safe trip home.
Thank you.